So what exactly is this thing? Internally known as Project Redwood, the Model 2 is Tesla's next-gen compact crossover. Think of it as a baby Model Y, shorter, nimbler, but still packing that Tesla DNA. Now, why $25,000? Because Tesla is using a revolutionary unboxed manufacturing process. Basically, they're building the car in sub-assemblies all at once, then snapping them together like Legos. It reduces cost by 50% and factory footprint by 40%. This isn't just a cheaper car, it's a completely new way of building automobiles. Now, you might be thinking, if it's cheap, is it slow? Not exactly. We're expecting a range of at least 250 to 300 miles thanks to new LFP, lithium iron phosphate batteries. These batteries are cheaper, last longer, and you can charge them to 100% every single day without worry. Performance-wise, expect a 0 to 60 in about 5 to 7 seconds. It's no Plaid, but it'll still zip past your neighbor's Corolla with ease. And yes, it will come standard with Tesla's AI5 hardware, making it fully ready for FSD, though likely as a subscription for this price point. Here is where it gets spicy. Why is this the competition killer? In the US, the average new car price is now over $47,000. By hitting that $25K sweet spot, especially if it qualifies for the $7,500 federal tax credit, the Model 2 becomes a no-brainer. We're talking about a brand new Tesla for potentially under $20,000. Legacy giants like Ford and GM are scrambling to make their EVs profitable, while Chinese rivals like BYD are dominating globally with affordable cars. The Model 2 is Tesla's shield against China and its sword against Detroit. It's designed to dominate the streets of Europe, Asia, and right here in the States. Inside, expect extreme minimalism. Reports suggest a single 13-inch central display, no stalks on the steering wheel, and a cabin made from sustainable, recycled materials. It's clean, it's techy, and it feels like the future. While some might miss the physical buttons, this is how Tesla keeps the price down while keeping the cool factor high. It's functional for city living, but stylish enough for a weekend trip to the coast. So, is the Tesla Model 2 the car you've been waiting for? Or will the lack of physical buttons be a deal breaker? Personally, at $25,000, I think the market is about to be turned upside down. Drop a comment below. Would you pick this over a used Model 3 or a gas-powered crossover? If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button and subscribe for more EV news. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.